Hi, how are you, everybody, today? Welcome to Homestead Activities. So, in case you people didn't know, when you plant corn, you have to wait till after the rainy season, and the soil has to be warm. But another good way to get fast germination is you need to soak your corn kernels, okay? Soak them in water for at least 8 hours, 24 hours is fine. They're 90% made up of starch. They're going to soak up all that water. So instead of them in the ground and waiting for the rain to get to them or waiting for water to get to them, you're going to accelerate your germination. Okay, so over here we have a small patch that we started. Okay, and then in a minute or so, I'm going to show you something that you're going to be hopefully surprised about. Okay. So, like I was saying, so let me show you what one homesteader did. This is a small patch of corn, and what I'm going to do in a second is I'm going to bring you over to Big Mike's. Okay? Yep, Big Mike's. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Big Mike's. Okay, so like I was saying, when you soak your corn kernels, the water is absorbed by the starch qualities of the corn kernel. And like the other people who had that little corn patch, obviously you can see what Big Mike's Farms here have accomplished. Okay, big things happening here at Big Mike's Farm. Thank you for watching.
We were using Bonnie's. What do you recommend, Mike? Big Mike.
To tell you the truth, I recommend any corn kernels. Sometimes you want to put two in case one doesn't germinate for backup. All right? Don't forget, soak them. Soak them and drop them. Big Mike's. Anything you guys need, tips, help, anything you need to learn about gardening or fast germination or anything on our YouTube channel, please follow us. Obviously, you see what Big Mike's can accomplish. Thank you for watching.